Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to use Photopea free photo editing software, and that one is available on online. Nowadays, you are using Photoshop, so Photoshops are consuming lot of space in your operating system, and sometimes Photoshops are not workable properly in like a Windows devices because of this application consuming lot of RAM. So this is an extended option to use this application online. No need to install and download. You just follow my instruction, open this application and make a thumbnail. Like such kind of thumbnail you can make. You can edit your photo and add some effects using this platform. So how to use it? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here new tab and type here the photopea.com. I'm providing you the link in video description. You just simply click there and enter here. So here the application, like all features, comes in Photoshop. If you are able to access Photoshop, so you are very easy and simple way. Before start anything, you can make your account here like a premium account, but no need to use premium account. We can use some advertise and all features are available free, so you can log in here. As a login point of view, select Google, Facebook, GitHub or Microsoft. I just select my Google ID here, and now my ID is display here, my email address. Now I am doing anything, all my data are stored in my account, so I can very easily access anywhere in the world, and I modify, change and use. So simply we are selecting here new file. So here is a new some options also available. If you are like any of this, so you can select like here social media related option, photo, Facebook page cover, Facebook share images, Instagram story, YouTube cover, YouTube profile. Such kind of pages are display here. If you are select anything, you can select. Otherwise here paint, photo, screen, mobile related options also available here. You can select any of this and then enjoy. Otherwise you select here, suppose for example I select here Facebook YouTube cover or YouTube profile. So here YouTube profile related some tabs are comes here. I just select this one, so that YouTube profile related pictures are come here. Now welcome to, like simply I select here welcome to Research Rocks like this, and you can add here any other informations also. Now I am not modify lot of things here. Okay, so now the name are constant. You can drag and drop wherever you want exactly, and then after my thumbnail or my image are done, so you just simply go to the file, save as PSD, save as PSD or export directly PNG, JPG, SVG, GIG. So simply I select here PNG, save. So now my image are stored in PNG. Look at the clarity, you can zoom entire image, the pixel are not blurring. So that one is quite amazing a platform for the making a thumbnail or making any kind of photo editing options, and that one is absolutely free. All data stored in your account. You just simply come here, create your account and choose whatever you want related on image related task. It's quite simple.
Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.